Today's video going to be replacing the fuel pump assembly on this 1500. And here's our new assembly. Comes with a new fuel pump and it comes with a new level sensor. Gonna go ahead and pull the fuel pump relay. See the pressure? You could do it in many different ways. You can unbolt the bed, remove the bed. You can remove this side of the bed bolts, loosen up the other side, jack up the bed and work in there. But then you got to make sure that it's not going to fall on you. The way I'm going to do it is I'm just going to drop the tank. Going to take off the negative battery terminal. Using 9/32. T30. $50mm for this nut. There's this whole bracket assembly that is holding the front end of the tank. We got a 2x4 spreading the load, holding the gas tank up. Now we're going to go ahead and take off the back strap. And there you go. Now we have access to the hoses. Pull back on the tab, pull out. Pull back on the white tab, press this button down, pull it out. On the back side of the filter, towards the gas tank, we're going to remove the B-nut, 5/8. Five-eighths on the other B-nut also. The reason why I took off the lines from over here is I was having a lot of trouble with access from up here under the truck. But now that I'm able to slide the whole tank out, now I have a lot more room to get these lines off. Three-eighths. Gonna take off the snap ring right here. I'm gonna let that transfer while I go get the new pump ready. Here's our new fuel hanger assembly. Got the float ready, got the lower sock. It's all good to go. In the instructions, it gives you all the different combinations of the new connector on the left side, which is the same for all the left ones, and the existing body harness. The new harness is on the right, and you can see it matches directly with the body harness, so we're not going to have to add this new connector. Got our new O-ring. We're going to go ahead and lower the assembly down. Be careful with the level sensor. You got the nub. You're going to line it up with this metal bracket. You're going to have to press down on it, and once you get it down in there with the seal, you can go ahead and throw your snap ring on there. Now you can see snap ring is in all its slots, and this is lined up. Now we can go ahead and push this very light gas tank now under the truck and load it up into place. Now, because the gas tank is light, we're going to go ahead and install this bracket that'll support the front end. The strap is going to be loose, but at least we'll have it in place, and we'll fit the front end of the gas tank up, lift up the back end, and use a strap to bolt it in. Gas tank is hanging on its own. Back strap, front strap and bracket, 4 mount bolts on the bracket tied down. Now let's go ahead and put the filler next back in. Before we tighten it down, we're going to go ahead and attach the nozzle to the outside. Connect the negative battery terminal. And there you go. That's how you replace a fuel pump on these C1500s. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.